So what are video thumbnails and why do they matter? You may have heard the phrase, you never get a second chance to make a good first impression. Now, your video's thumbnail is the first and sometimes the only chance you have to entice viewers to click on your video instead of your competitors. Because of that, it's very important to create thumbnails that are engaging and show potential viewers at a glance what your video is all about. Now, thumbnails are little pictures, but with lots of power. A great video thumbnail can mean the difference between thousands of views or just a few. It does not matter how good your video content is because if it's not grabbing attention, you just won't get clicks. And here's one interesting fact from the YouTube Creator Academy. 90% of the best performing video productions on YouTube have a custom thumbnail. This just proves that a great custom thumbnail can make all the difference in the world when it comes to a viewer clicking through to your video. And it's a super easy way to give your video a professional look as well. Now, if you spent any time on YouTube, you've likely seen dozens, if not hundreds, of cool thumbnails with exciting graphics, people smiling, or just looking cool and inviting. A great thumbnail makes you want to watch the video, so it's key for your thumbnails to stand out. Your video's thumbnail is the key to increasing your video's CTR and can increase your video's engagement by up to 154%. If you don't get that first click, your video will never get views. A higher CTR means more video views and shares. Simple as that. In fact, a bad thumbnail can ruin the performance of a great video, while a great thumbnail can make a so-so video much more popular. It's your one opportunity to connect with viewers on a visual and emotional level that a video platform algorithm just won't ever understand. With 90% of the top performing videos on YouTube using custom thumbnails, you need pro-quality thumbnail designs on your videos because the automated default thumbnails will only hurt you. Great thumbnails act as a conversion machine. Having awesome thumbnail designs and a great call to action on your videos just works, but there is a problem because creating amazing pro-quality thumbnail designs from scratch that can stand out from the crowd is not an option for most people, so you either have to hire an expensive pro designer or pay top dollar or even a subscription for complicated graphic design software. But not anymore. Introducing the Thumbnail Toolkit. Get ready for more clicks, more views, which equals more sales. Thumbnail Toolkit is a massive package of 1,000 pro-designed, static, and animated video thumbnail templates in different video sizes that will explode your video CTR and are easily edited using PowerPoint. They also come in tons of different top niches and categories. Combined with our Thumbsnatcher WordPress plugin and video marketing training, you will never have to worry about getting amazing pro-quality video thumbnails, increasing your video click-through rate, or ranking your videos ever again. This is a limited time offer, so hit the buy button below right now and start exploding your video CTR and rankings today.